हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन ब्रांच अकाउंट्स फॉर बीकॉम, बैफ, बीएमएस, बीपीआई, बीएफएड, आईपीसीसी एंड सीएमए। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन ब्रांच अकाउंट्स। First, a branch that received goods only from the head office dash dependent branch, independent branch, foreign branch, none. A branch that received goods only from the head office is called as dependent branch. Answer A. Second, under debtor system, branch account is dash personal account, real account, nominal account, none. Under debtors system, branch account is personal account. Answer A. Third, goods sent by head office or goods sent to branch is debited to branch account, debtors account, goods account, head office account. Goods sent by head office or goods sent to branch is debited to branch account. अंडर डेटर सिस्टम हम इसको ब्रांच अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड कर दें तो आंसर ए। 4, where branches are allowed to make purchase themselves, dependent branch, independent branch, foreign branch, none. Where branches are allowed to make purchase themselves are called as independent branch. Answer B. जो ब्रांच खुद परचेज कर सकता है उसे हम इंडिपेंडेंट ब्रांच बोलते हैं। तो आंसर बी। Fifth, cash remitted by branch to head office credited to cash account, goods account, branch account, head office account. Cash remitted by branch to head office is credited to branch account. Answer C. 6, opening balance of branch liabilities are shown on debit side of branch account, credit side of branch account, not recorded in branch account, none. Opening balance of branch liabilities are shown on credit side of branch account. Answer B. 7, dash account shows stock position at branch, branch stock, branch debtor, goods sent to branch stock adjustment. Branch stock account shows stock position at branch. Answer A. branch stock अकाउंट हमें स्टॉक का पोजीशन बताता है तो आंसर ए ब्रांच स्टॉक अकाउंट। 8, branch profit and loss account balance is transferred to dash gross profit, credit account, general profit and loss account, goods sent to branch account. Branch profit and loss account balance is transferred to जनरल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। आंसर सी। ब्रांच प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में जो भी कुछ बैलेंस होता है वो हमें जनरल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ट्रांसफर करना होता है तो आंसर सी जनरल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। 9, क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑन ब्रांच स्टॉक एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट इंडिकेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, ग्रॉस लॉस, नेट प्रॉफिट, नेट लॉस। Credit balance on branch stock adjustment account indicate gross profit. Answer A. क्रेडिट बैलेंस का मतलब होता है क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा है, इसका मतलब डेबिट साइड में डिफरेंस जो भी आता है ब्रांच स्टॉक एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट में, उसे हम ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इंडिकेट करते हैं। तो आंसर ए ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट। 10. Load is not included in following items: dash, opening stock, closing stock, goods sent to branch, cash sent to branch. Load is not included in following items: cash sent to branch. जो कैश आइटम है उसमें लोड नहीं होता है, जो स्टॉक होता है उसमें लोड होता है। तो आंसर बी कैश सेंड टू ब्रांच, इसमें लोड का पार्ट नहीं होगा। इलेवन डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड अकाउंट बैलेंस is transferred to branch debtor accounts, branch profit and loss account, branch creditors account, trading account. Discount received account balance is transferred to branch profit and loss account. Answer B. डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड का जो भी कुछ बैलेंस आता है वो हमें ब्रांच प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ट्रांसफर करना पड़ता है। तो आंसर बी। 12. Dash branches do not maintain complete books of account: dependent branch, independent branch, foreign branch, none. Dependent branch do not maintain complete books of accounts. Answer A. जो डिपेंडेंट ब्रांच होता है वो पूरा बुक मेंटेन नहीं करते। तो आंसर ए डिपेंडेंट ब्रांच। 13. Dash branches maintain complete books of account: dependent branch, independent branch, foreign branch, none. Dependent branch complete records नहीं रखते, independent branch complete books account maintain करते हैं। तो आंसर बी in independent branches maintain complete books of accounts. Answer B. Independent branch. 14. Under debtor system, goods sent to branch account is debited to branch debtors account, branch profit and loss account, branch creditors account, branch account. Under debtor system, goods sent to branch account is debited to branch account. Under debtor system हम only branch account maintain करते हैं। तो आंसर डी branch account। 15. Under debtor system, cash remittance from branch is credited to dash branch debtors account, branch profit and loss account, branch creditors account, branch account. Under debtor system, cash remittance from branch is credited to branch account. Answer D. Under debtor system हम branch account ही maintain करते हैं। तो answer D. Branch account। 16. Dash system is adopted those branches who operate in small size: single entry, double entry, debtors, stock debtors. Debtors system is adopted those branches who operate in small size. Answer debtors system। ब्रांच अकाउंट में दो सिस्टम है, एक डेटर्स और दूसरा स्टॉक डेटर्स। जो स्मॉल साइज बिजनेस होता है उसके लिए डेटर्स सिस्टम एडॉप्ट होता है। 17. Dash account shows the amount of load included in stock, that is goods. Branch stock, branch stock adjustment, debtors, branch. Branch stock adjustment account shows the amount of load included in stock. Answer B. Branch stock adjustment. 18. Balance on goods sent to branch account is transferred to dash account, trading account, branch stock adjustment account, goods account, branch account. Balance on goods sent to branch account is transferred to trading account. Answer A. गुड्स सेंड टू ब्रांच अकाउंट में जो भी कुछ बैलेंस आता है वो हमें ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करना होता है. तो आंसर ए ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. 19. Abnormal loss account is credited to dash account under stock debtor system. Branch stock adjustment, general profit and loss, branch. Abnormal loss account is credited to branch stock account under stock debtor system. Answer A. Branch stock. 20. Dash is a difference between cost price and invoice price. Load, gross profit, net profit, commission. Load is a difference between cost price and invoice price. Answer A. जो कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड इनवॉइस प्राइस में जो भी कुछ डिफरेंस होता है उसे हम लोड बोलते हैं. तो आंसर ए. थैंक यू. शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो.